We're Pia and Sean with our three little dogs. Welcome to our van life, where we travel with our storyteller overland to discover amazing places. On this episode, we made our way to Priestlake, Idaho, to stay for a few days and enjoy lake life. Please join us and thank you for watching.
Last night in Canada, we're heading down to the States tomorrow, finishing off at this beautiful small lake with an RV campground. What do you think, Pia? How are you feeling?
I feel sad to be leaving Canada, but we will definitely be back.
Yes, we will be back. And it was great seeing family and a little exploration, but we're going to be excited to head south, and we have some more adventures for you. So if you enjoyed our Canada trip, oh, fish just jumped, then please like and subscribe and set the alert button. We really appreciate all the help. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, and we are in the United States. So we are back from Canada, crossed the border about 3 hours ago. U.S. immigration asked us where we came from, where we're headed, if we had any fruits and vegetables with us, which we did. We forgot that they do restrict that at the border. So we did get the immigration officer to go up in our van to check our fridge and see what kind of vegetables that we had and fruits. They didn't take our bananas, but they did end up taking our avocado. We are stopping at Priestlake, Idaho, and we're gonna stay here for a few days before we make our trip to Utah. We are at Safeway, stopped at Safeway here near Priestlake, Idaho in Colon. We have probably about another 45 minutes to drive before we hit our final destination. Current temperature in the van is 80 degrees. I turned on the AC to cool it down for the dogs while we wait for Sean to do grocery. And as you know, our Volta is not charging during the drive. We did stay hooked up to shore power overnight when we were still up in Canada, our last night in Canada. So we have about 90% of our battery remaining. How we stay cool in the van is I do have multiple rechargeable battery fans that I'm currently charging and plugged in so that it can charge. We'll be here at Priestlake for a few days, and then we head on to Utah to see Warner Vans to get our Volta looked at, and hopefully we won't encounter this problem next year when it starts getting hot again. So we'll keep you guys in the loop, and stay tuned, and thank you for watching.
Up at the lake, we got the storyteller connected up to the new little cabin. Very nice and easy that we have outlets up here now. And we're doing the fun part of offloading all the gear down into the cabin. But cannot beat this view. Made it back to the lake. It looks all the steps are in good shape. Oh, they got our kayak down there. Kayak is ready for use. Yeah. Uh-oh, somebody's having fun. It's time for them to get their energy out. Okay. Might be the first time we've ever had dogs tackle each other into the water. Honey bun. Oh. You caught it? He ran full speed into the water. That was a first. That was on Bale's quality. Honey. He was just running and he just ran right in. Good boy. Even when we're not in the van, we got some Caesar, got some potatoes going, we got that steak, a ribeye action, keeping the barbecue clean. Because we're not in the van doesn't mean we haven't had brunch. Avocado toast coming up. Okay, go see your mommy.
from our lake life. Currently not doing the van life, although this is our last day here in Priestlake. So we are going to enjoy a full day of just doing nothing and absolutely just relaxing with our dogs. So it's been a very fun few days here. We wish that we've been able to stay longer, but unfortunately, because our Volta battery is not working in our van, so we have to leave early and then head on to Utah to get the battery fixed by Warner Vans. So in the meantime, we're going to make the most out of our last day here, and we're thinking of taking the kayak out just to see new sights for the summer, and including the dogs because they love it here. Look what just happened, babe. he got the tire on his head. Grogu. But the dogs have been having fun. It looks like it's got a neck bandage on. Grogu, honey, let me see. Grogu. So we keep Grogu on diapers because he's a growing boy and we don't want any accidents anywhere. But because he's still a tiny little puppy, the diaper is pretty big and falls out of him. And then there's my BobaFett, Han Solo. They are absolutely loving the lake life. And if they could stay here permanently, I know they would. Our previous dogs, Yoda, Jabba, and Chewbacca, really enjoyed it out here. We are thinking of spreading some of their ashes out here because this is where they felt the happiest. Bale, Organa, or Bailey Boo, unfortunately never made it here. And to this day, was still hurt over her loss, including all the other 3 dogs. And so we are making sure we're giving the dogs their best life. So there is breakfast that Sean made some avocado toast.
Yep.
With
Bacon.
bacon, coffee, and basically this is what the kitchen looks like. Living room area, dining room, living room. We sleep down in the basement because it's much cooler, but there are more rooms up top and really cozy cabin. We just love it here.
That's awesome. Grogu decided to swim on his own. Honey, you want to come swimming?
Oh, yeah.
Nope, he's falling.